In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow a user on GitHub. If you're new to GitHub or just looking to connect with other developers and keep track of their work, following users is a great way to do that. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, we need to head over to GitHub's website. So open your preferred web browser and type in github.com. Press enter and you'll be taken to the home page. If you haven't logged in yet, now's the time to do that. You'll see the sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken back to the home page. Now that we're logged in, let's search for the user you want to follow. GitHub's search functionality is a powerful tool that you can use for exploring repositories, issues, and users. Direct your attention to the search bar, which is conveniently located at the top of the page. Click on that search bar, and you'll see a drop-down appear that allows you to choose what you want to search for. But for now, just go ahead and start typing in the username of the person you're interested in following. As you're typing, GitHub will begin suggesting users or repositories that match your input, which can be quite helpful if you're unsure of the exact username. Once you see the correct user in the list of search results, go ahead and click on their profile. This will take you to their personal GitHub profile page. Here, you will find an overview of the user's contributions, repositories, and other details related to their activity on GitHub. Take a few moments to browse around and get a sense of their work if you haven't already. Now onto the main task, following the user. When you're on the user's profile page, look towards the right side of the page, near the top where you can find the Follow button. It's generally located next to their username, making it easy to spot. You'll notice that the button has a plus sign, indicating that you'll be adding this person to your list of followed users upon clicking it. Simply click on Follow, and just like that, you're now following them. By default, GitHub will notify you of the user's activity, which allows you to keep track of their latest projects and updates seamlessly. This feature is particularly useful for staying updated with developers whose work you admire or are interested in learning from. Remember, following on GitHub doesn't need their approval. It's a social aspect of GitHub designed to encourage collaboration and learning, so feel free to follow other inspiring developers you come across. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully followed a user on GitHub. With this newfound ability, you can keep up with their projects and activities, and it's an excellent way to engage more deeply with the GitHub community. Thanks for watching and happy coding.